There are not many individuals in the crypto local area who have not heard the name Satoshi Nakamoto to some degree in passing. The popular unknown maker of Bitcoin and the world's greatest digital currency have entranced many individuals and roused a ton of unmistakable cryptographic money defenders. The SV in Bitcoin. SV's name means Satoshi's vision and addresses BSV's objective to turn into the cryptographic money Nakamoto generally imagined. The truth will surface eventually whether it can at any point accomplish such aggressive objectives, yet in the event that it does, it has every one of the opportunities to turn into the following number one cryptographic money. Bitcoin SV's motivation is to turn into a more innovatively progressed cryptographic money than the first Bitcoin, meanwhile staying consistent with the first thought behind the digital currency. It is a hard fork of Bitcoin money, BCH, which was forked itself from Bitcoin back in 2017. Being aficionados of the first Bitcoin convention, BSV makers and the local area all oppose the progressions made to the BTC blockchain, similar to the execution of Squid or the Lightning organization. BSV takes what they guarantee is Satoshi's unique way to deal with tackling the versatility issue that torment the greatest digital money by expanding block size. At its beginning in November 2018, Bitcoin SV had a block size of 128 megabits. A portion of a year after the fact, in July 2019, the coin went through the Quasar convention redesign, and block size expanded to 2 gigabits. BSV's block not entirely set in stone by the coin's agreement system and was intended to be dynamic. This framework permits BSV to have a higher exchange speed yet forfeits some level of decentralization. Bitcoin SV utilizes the verification of work agreement calculation and can be dug for benefit, very much like the first Bitcoin. Diggers can pick the size of blocks they need to mine, with greater blocks giving better yields as they contain more exchanges and, subsequently, more exchange charges. Very much like most cryptographic forms of money, BSV additionally goes through many promising and less promising times close by the remainder of the market. It had an enormous cost spike back in April 2021 when it arrived at its ongoing all-time high of $491. Yet again Bitcoin SV drew near to that level half a month after the fact in May 2021 in any case couldn't arrive at another greatest. Bitcoin SV's value figured out how to remain over the $100 cost mark until the end of 2021 yet kept on declining consistently. The coin at long last tumbled down to the $90 level in late January 2022. The ongoing cost of Bitcoin SV is its base cost in the previous year. The last time the coin has been this low was in 2019, which is definitely not a decent sign. Numerous other cryptographic forms of money are in decline right presently yet have a typical cost higher than their base in the beyond 3 years. BSV is very open to the general patterns on the crypto market and appears to answer positive news and promotion very well. Its affiliation and close connections to Bitcoin permit it to get consideration during market blasts. Bitcoin SV in both the short and long haul. Therefore seeing that its ongoing cost will come around more than 25% in less than a year, going down to $65. They assess BSV as a terrible long-haul venture. Has an exceptionally uplifting perspective on Bitcoin SV's future cost. They are bullish on this coin and anticipate that it should continue to rise dramatically before long. Their 1-year BSV cost gauge is $292. And the 5-year Bitcoin SV conjecture is $1,391. They accept this cryptographic money might have different promising and less promising times in the following couple of months, with the BSV cost going as low as $77. Notwithstanding, Bitcoin SV specialized investigation predicts that BSV can constantly return from those lows and return much more grounded than previously. The coin's subreddit is basically abandoned right now, and there are not really any individuals making any expectations. The crypto local area is really partitioned on Bitcoin SV and its worth. BSV advocates accept the coin's cost is being kept down by unreasonable shorting and anticipate its genuine cost to re-emerge soon. Then again, numerous clients likewise bring up how BSV doesn't create a lot of clamor nowadays and that its biological system is fundamentally dead. Local area assessment and publicity matter a ton with regards to crypto costs, so it is a cycle worried that not that many individuals have confidence in Bitcoin SV's drawn-out possibilities. The truth will come out at some point in the event that the conviction its passionate devotees have in this coin, as well as BSV's real worth, will be sufficient to push it to possibly win against BTC or not. Bitcoin SV Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Bitcoin SV costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Bitcoin SV will be $57.56. The most extreme level that the BSV cost can reach is $63.97. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $60.15. BSV value gauge for September 2022. In view of the value variances of Bitcoin SV toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical BSV pace of $54.52 in September 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $49.85 and at $56.08, separately. October 2022, Bitcoin SV value conjecture. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the BSV cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $54.62, while the greatest could reach $58.80 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Bitcoin SV may be around $56.70. BSV value conjecture for November 2022. Crypto experts have actually taken a look at the value changes of Bitcoin SV in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal BSV rate they foresee may be around $58.40 in November 2022. It can drop to $56.32 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $61.64. December 2022, Bitcoin SV value conjecture. Around mid-year 2022, the BSV cost will be exchanged at $60.15 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Bitcoin SV worth to $63.97. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $57.56 in December 2022. Bitcoin SV Value Forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Bitcoin SV in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Bitcoin SV will be around $83.32. The most extreme expected BSV cost might be around $100.30.